What up, y'all? It's the Catman of Inglewood signing in. So check me out. Got my shit in the mail today, and it seems to be working. Check that out. So the thing is, it will have my bike sitting very, very low. Even though they don't have air in the tires, all I have to do is put some air in there. It'll drop another ½ inch. But that's pretty low right there for a low rider. Not a problem, but if I want to solve that, if I don't want to have it so low and then buy another tire size, then all I have to do, boom, I got this kind as well. So I can put it on the side. Booyah, you already know what the deal is. So stay tuned. Catman of Inglewood signing out.